How can I replace my water heater expansion tank myself? Imagine your water heater system as a busy highway. When the water heats up, it expands and creates pressure that needs somewhere to go. That's where the expansion tank comes in. Over time, these tanks can develop leaks, become waterlogged, or corrode, which means they need replacing. If you're comfortable with basic plumbing, you might be able to do it yourself. Let's walk through how to replace your water heater expansion tank step by step. First, understand what the expansion tank does. It has a rubber bladder inside that separates air from water. When water heats and expands, the tank absorbs this extra pressure, protecting your pipes and fixtures from damage. Knowing this helps you see why choosing the right size is important. You want a tank that matches your water heater's pressure, usually around 40 pounds per square inch. Next, gather your tools and materials. You'll need adjustable wrenches or channel lock pliers, Teflon tape or thread sealant, a pressure gauge or air pump, and a new expansion tank. Make sure the new tank is the right size for your system. Most tanks come pre-pressurized to about 40 pounds per square inch, but it's good to check with a tire gauge. If needed, you can adjust the air pressure with a bicycle pump or small air compressor. Before starting, turn off the main water supply to your home. Then, switch off the power or gas to your water heater for safety. Open a hot water faucet nearby to relieving pressure in the system. Drain a few gallons from the water heater using the drain valve to lower the water level and reduce spills when removing the old tank. Now carefully remove the old expansion tank. Use one wrench to hold the pipe steady and the other to unscrew the tank. The tank might be heavy, so take your time and ask for help if needed. Once removed, clean the threaded pipe to remove any debris or old sealant. Prepare the new tank by wrapping Teflon tape around the threaded connection. Check the preset air pressure with your gauge. If it's not matching your home's water pressure, adjust it with your air pump. Then, screw the new tank onto the pipe by hand, tightening gently with your wrench. Be careful not to over-tighten, as this can damage the tank or fittings. Turn the main water supply back on slowly. Watch for leaks around the connection. Open a hot water faucet to let trapped air escape. Once water flows smoothly and there are no leaks, turn the power or gas back on to your water heater. Keep an eye on the system for a few minutes to ensure everything is working properly. Test the system by running hot water in your home. The expansion tank should quietly absorb pressure changes without leaks or noises. If you notice any issues, turn off the water and check your connections. If you're unsure about any step, especially with electric or gas water heaters, it's best to call a professional plumber. Remember, always replace your expansion tank with one of the same or larger size. Smaller tanks might not handle the pressure properly. If your system is connected near a boiler or complex heating setup, additional steps like draining the boiler or bleeding air may be necessary. Safety is key, so don't hesitate to seek professional help if needed. With patience and care, you can successfully replace your water heater expansion tank and keep your plumbing system running smoothly. This project usually takes about 30 to 60 minutes and only requires basic tools and some confidence in your plumbing skills.